Hello friends, I'm Alexius Varro, guiding you through the art of Stoic living. Today's focus is Chapter 71, titled Life Without Limits. We'll dive deep into an insightful quote by Epictetus from his Discourses. It reads, "A person who is impervious to disturbances is free, one who arranges things as they wish, but the one who can be obstructed, compelled, hindered, or thrust into something against their will is a slave." This powerful statement sets the stage for exploring the ways modern life can sometimes imprison us and how Stoicism offers the keys to true freedom. Let's take a moment to reflect on the lives of some of the world's wealthy, powerful, and famous individuals. Strip away the glamorous facade, the luxurious homes, the expensive cars, the exclusive parties, and consider what these individuals have sacrificed for their success. As the author points out, many of these successful people have essentially built golden cages for themselves. Think about it. What comes first for these individuals? Often, it's not their freedom. Their positions require them to adhere to specific standards and rituals. They may wear suits even if they prefer casual attire. They might attend events and rub elbows with people they don't particularly like. Their success may depend on saying the right things, but never their true thoughts. They might have to change their behavior, adapt excessively, and sometimes act against their principles. As Seneca wisely noted, under marble and gold dwell slaves. These individuals, despite their outward success, are often imprisoned by their own ambitions and societal expectations. Is this the life you aspire to lead? Is this why you work so hard? Stoicism teaches us to reevaluate what we're striving for. The pursuit of freedom is at the heart of Stoic philosophy, but this freedom isn't about having unlimited choices or acquiring material wealth. True freedom, as Epictetus argues, is about being free from external disturbances, arranging life on your terms, and not being compelled by external forces. It's about inner tranquility and aligning your actions with your values and principles, regardless of external conditions. In our modern world, it's easy to get trapped in the cycle of chasing more money, more status, more recognition. But at what cost? Are you sacrificing your inner peace, your true self, for these external validations? Real success, according to Stoicism, is freedom from these external pressures. It's about developing resilience and maintaining your values and integrity, no matter what life throws your way. Here's a practical tip to incorporate Stoic wisdom into your daily life. Conduct a values audit. Take a moment to identify and write down your core values, those principles that you hold most dear. Then, look at your daily actions and choices. Are they aligned with these values? Are there areas where you feel compelled to act against your values due to external pressures? By aligning your actions with your values, you take the first step towards true freedom. You begin to arrange life on your terms, free from external disturbances. You embody the Stoic ideal of resilience and inner peace, living a life that is authentically yours. Let's engage in a Stoic challenge together. For the next week, each morning, remind yourself of your core values. Throughout the day, be mindful of moments when you might act against these values due to external pressures. Note these instances and reflect on how you can better align your actions with your values in the future. Share your experiences and reflections in the comments below. Let's support each other in this journey towards true freedom. As we continue to navigate the complexities of modern life, remember what Epictetus taught us. True freedom is a state of mind, impervious to external disturbances. By cultivating resilience, practicing self-discipline, and maintaining inner calm, we can break free from the cages we might have unknowingly built for ourselves. Thank you for joining me today, friends. Subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the like button if you found this video helpful. Let's continue this journey of growth and fulfillment together. Until next time, live resiliently and freely.